Welcome back to the Storyteller's Compass, where we explore classic television with heart, history, and a little wisdom along the way. Today we're looking at the Season 2 premiere of Columbo, Étude in Black, first aired September 17, 1972, and starring the incomparable John Cassavetes opposite Peter Falk. Cassavetes plays Alex Benedict, a celebrated orchestra conductor whose polished public image hides a dangerous secret. When his mistress threatens to expose their affair, he murders her and stages the scene as a suicide. But Lieutenant Columbo, with his trademark rumpled persistence, notices the smallest inconsistencies: a missing house key, a smudge of ash, a flower out of place, and slowly unravels the truth. What follows is a psychological duel between two brilliant performers, each playing a role for the other. This episode is a showcase of Columbo at its finest: elegant, character-driven, and quietly suspenseful. Cassavetes brings a magnetic arrogance to Benedict, making him one of the series' most memorable adversaries. Falk, meanwhile, is at the height of his powers. Gentle, observant, and deceptively disarming. Their scenes together feel like a dance, full of tension and subtle shifts in control. Some viewers may find the pacing a bit leisurely, especially in the extended musical sequences. A few clues rely on coincidence rather than deduction, and the episode occasionally leans heavily on the temperamental artist stereotype. Still, the performances are so strong that these issues never derail the story. Étude in Black helped cement Columbo as prestige television. Casting Cassavetes, already a respected filmmaker and actor, signaled that the series was attracting top-tier talent. The episode also reflects early 1970s fascination with celebrity culture, artistic genius, and the darker side of public image. It remains one of the most frequently referenced episodes in retrospectives and fan discussions. Columbo reminds us that truth often hides in the smallest details. Patience, humility, and careful listening can reveal what force and bluster never will. The episode also warns us about the dangers of ego, how pride can blind even the most gifted person to the consequences of their actions. This episode is a masterclass in performance-driven storytelling. The camera lingers on faces, letting the actors communicate tension without flashy editing. It also shows how music can shape mood and character, using the world of classical performance as both setting and metaphor. And it demonstrates how a strong villain elevates the entire narrative. Étude in Black stands as one of Columbo's most elegant and memorable mysteries, a battle of wits between two giants, wrapped in atmosphere, artistry, and quiet suspense. It's a reminder that great storytelling doesn't need spectacle. It needs character, craft, and heart. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.